product number 1 is this. Angled brush, very important. Tap in, tap off on the back of your hand. Going to go from the top of your ear down in a little ticky motion, and this is going to create a lovely sculpt to our cheekbone. I'm now going to take a microfiber cloth, dust off my brush so it's clean. I'm just going to fuzz the edges. Now, can you see the difference? This side of my face looks a lot more sculpted than this side. Take this blush, tap in. You're going to go to the corner of your cheekbone and you're just going to tap upwards towards the top of your ear. And instantly, look
it's got such an iridescence to it, hasn't it?
Look at the glow. Look
at the glow.
Look at the difference. Glowy, sculpted, flat. We're going to take this fluffy brush, dab it into the bronze, tap off, take this and put it into our sockets. And this is going to give us a lovely lift to our eye. Take the leftovers underneath to create a beautiful frame. With the pink, take your pinky finger, tap into the middle of the lid and blend either side. Not only is it going to really brighten your lower lid and make your eye look beautiful and bright, can you see that just looks so much more rested, that eye?
Yeah, it looks really pretty.
Very natural, very natural. Next, we're going to take our angled brush. We're going to dust it off with our microfiber cloth so it's all clean now of the blush. I mean, you might have more than one brush at home, but if you don't, this is what you can do. Then take it into the bronze. Now wait until you see product number 2, because product number 2,
oh yeah,
I know you're going to love it. Okay, tap off. Then from just behind your ear, you're going to take the brush and go all the way under. So the bristles are just delicately touching your jawline, but mostly it's kind of going under to create the shadow.
You're right on that edge, aren't you?
Right on the edge. Let's add a little bit. Oh gosh, I've smudged a bit.
I'm always right on the edge.
Right on the edge of life. Okay, let's do that again. Then take it to your chin. This part of your underneath chin here, it always looks brighter on people, and that brightness kind of makes it glow like a little bulb. So let's turn out the bulb. Knock it down. Turn the lights off, ladies.
Turn that light off. Get rid of that gobble.
And then just blend down. Now, you should see that the jawline is looking much more sharper.
It really does, doesn't it?
Yeah. Love it. Katie, yeah, let me show you. Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Just going to add a little bit more to the side. Is this the side you're working on,
yes,
isn't
it?
So you see here, we're going to snatch this in a bit. So we're going to make this look a lot more sharper. So to do that, this is where you can take the bronze colour here, and it's got a bit of grey in it, this bronze, so it's really good for sculpting. And you're just going to, if you show to the side here, we're just going to apply a little bit over an area that we want to knock back to make it look sharper. And then we're going to blend down. Right, you might need to just look at me a minute so I can just perfect that.
Thank you.
But you look into the camera. Yeah, that's it. I've actually maybe just bodged it now.
Oh, ruined.
I might have ruined it.
Have you given me a
Hang on a minute, as I say. Let me
multitude of sins?
Yeah, and let me just clean it up a bit. Okay. Blend it down.
Have you turned my light out?
Yes, I've turned your light out. Look up.
Oh, it really has.
Make sure when you're doing this at home that you're actually blending it down. Otherwise, you're going to end up, and it's just going to look too, you know, you just want to blend.
Yeah, so it looks more natural. Thank you.
That's it. Let's have a look. Oh, yes, lovely.
It's really nice,
yeah,
isn't it?
Really
you can
nice.
Really see it.
So, should we do the other side very quickly? So this is the side we've worked on, or shall we not, just because we don't want to bore people? We'll just quickly go on to the next product.
Let's get on to the next product.
We'll get on to the next product. You don't want to see the other side.
Swiping back, swiping back.
Okay, so the next product we're going to show you is oh, Katie, I have got to do the other side of your face. I can't cope. It's just how I am as a makeup artist.
Okay.
And I've got to do the other side of mine as well.
Oh.
Right. I'll show you how quickly we do it.
Oh.
Tap, 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 tap. This is how quickly I do it in the mornings.
Well, the thing is, in the morning, you do it quickly, don't
I
you?
do, yeah.
It's regularly less than 3 minutes.
I'm often like, if I can't do it really quick myself, I can't expect anyone else to do it really quick.
Yeah, no one has time.
No one's got that much time. Oh. And then in the sockets.
This is speed makeup,
this is
isn't
speedy,
it?
but it shows you what you can do in the mornings.
Need like sped up music.
Yeah. Benny Hill music. A little bit of the pink on the... Oh, look at that on the eyelid. I love that.
It's got such a good iridescence.
Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Dust off. Now go for the pink. Are you all right there, Katie?
Yeah, I think I'm doing good. I think it's all right.
Really good. Beautiful.
Oh,
beautiful. The pink, look, instant glow. And that glow there lifts the cheekbones and gives you that really lovely glass skin look.
Yeah, I really love
really
that.
nice.
That pink, it so doesn't come out how you think it
that
would.
looks really nice.
You feel happy now I've done the other side. Oh,
yeah, I do.
Have you done this bit?
No, do you want to do that bit while I talk about the next bit?
Please.
Okay, so the next product that we are both in love with is a product that we discovered. Katie and I went on holiday with our friend Sandra. We had a little girls' trip, didn't we?
It was
Katie?
good,
We went
really
to Greece. It was really good. Anyway, Sandra has beautiful glowy skin. So since we were on holiday with her, we were like, right, okay, we want to know what you're doing for your skin. We want to know, show us all your products.
We literally sat with her in the bathroom just like that. Oh,
Yeah.
Tell us.
Tell us what you do. Anyway, Sandra turned around and said, do you know what? I use really basic skincare. The only thing I really invest in is this cleanser. And we were like, ooh.
Yeah. If it's working for you,
If
I need
it's
some of
working
it.
for you, we need it. So we then went and purchased it. We loved it so much. We've got it in to share with you. This cleanser, it isn't just a cleanser. It's like a glow accelerator.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it, actually.
So when you, I mean, we're very near 50 now, aren't we, Katie? I mean, you're in a few days and I'm in a few months. So as you get older, you will know that your skin turnover slows down. And when your skin cells stop turning over so quickly, we get dull skin, our skin looks drier, but it also means where those dead skin cells aren't getting kind of like sloughed off as quickly as they did in our youth. It even means that the skincare you're using isn't going as penetrating as deep down as it could because it's just sitting on the top of dead skin cells.
And I feel like my makeup doesn't sit as well either if it's not been cleansed properly. You know, like if it's still got layers of skin on there, it's going to crack and get cakey.
Exactly. Very good point. So this cleanser not only takes off your makeup, it adds back the glow. So if you're someone that has dull skin, this is instantly going to add back that radiance. So it's a little bit unusual because it's an oil and you need the tiniest amount. Now, how I would use it is I'm not going to do it now because I've got my makeup on. I would massage it into my face and then I would get a damp, warm cloth, and I always invest in lots of cloths.
Yeah.
I just get mine from like Amazon or somewhere, and I always go through one a night, so you can buy them quite inexpensively. Warm water, and then I will just take off, rinse my cloth, and then I will do a double cleanse if I'm wearing my makeup.
Yeah.
Now, what I will say is on your double cleanse, leave this on for a few minutes. And the natural occurring enzymes in this, which are from pineapple and papaya, actually work to slough off those dead skin cells. So it doesn't feel gritty. It's not like an exfoliator. It actively works to brighten and revive your radiance. I would go as far to say you could even skip all your night creams and after you've cleansed your face, put a little bit of this just pressed on your face. Wake up.
Yeah, you
in the morning,
difference.
You will glow. Now you can see this has probably lasted me about three weeks. So I would say it's you know, it's not overly expensive, but it's probably more than you'd pay for your cleanser in your local supermarket. But you need such a little amount, but it's so good. And it just goes to show that it's not always all your serums and moisturisers that are going to give you that glow. It's often, you know, a really genius cleanser that's actually working to slough off those dead skin cells.
Yeah, and your skin feels so lovely afterwards, and it smells amazing too.
It really does. Yeah, this is an absolute... it is beautiful. I mean, even the smell alone, it makes you eat. It smells like Hawaii.
It smells like you're in a spa, doesn't it?
Yeah, if Hawaii had a smell, this is what it's. I think Hawaii smells.
It smells like volcanoes.
No, it's like coconutty, tropical. It's beautiful.
Yeah,
it's all very natural. So, the next product is it this one?
I'm going to say that one first.
This one, okay.
This is explaining.
Okay. This is where to start. So, as Katie will know, Katie's my best mate. I am forever buying hand cream. Hand cream because probably it's not picking up on camera, but I don't have particularly smooth skin.
I don't think anyone does, do they, when you're a certain age?
No, my skin is very thin, it's very veiny. My hands, I think my hands really show my age. I get psoriasis. I just don't think my hands do me much favours. I'm grateful for them. They're great for makeup. So I've been buying these fancy hand creams that smell lovely, that look beautiful in my bag, but are they really doing anything?
And sometimes they just feel nice, but it's only while they're there, and then once it's worn off, it's gone. Then
I discovered this duo for your hands, and okay, I don't think this looks that pretty, I've got to be honest. The packaging,
it's not something I would
it's not something that I'd reach for and go, oh, that looks pretty, but this works. So if your hands are dry, if they're cracked, if they're looking aged, I promise you this duo, when used together throughout the day, it transforms your skin. In fact, if you were to, there is a link on this video somewhere, click it, go to this product, because you'll see the before and afters. It's incredible. And what you do is every morning and every evening, and then in between then, every time you kind of wash your hands, you firstly spray this on your hands.
It's quite unusual, isn't it?
Yeah, it's quite unusual. I'd never experienced anything like it. I'll massage them together on the back of my hands like that. And it's a really good tip, actually, when you are using your hand creams at home, massage the backs. Don't go so much like that, because it's often not our palms that need the help, it's the backs of our hands. Then I will let that dry, okay? Then I will go over the top with this hand cream. I will always put it on the back. Don't put it in your palms. This goes with all hand cream. Put it onto the back and then massage. Now that does seem like a faff, but I'm telling you, it's worth it.
But you notice the difference.
You not only notice the difference, you feel the difference. And, you know, even after a few days of doing this little routine, your hands will thank you for it. It's got really proven scientific active ingredients in this that work. It's dermatologic. I can't say that word.
Don't ask us to say it.
It's tested by dermatologists. And it genuinely works. And you have to see the before and afters. There is a link somewhere. Please click it. The before and afters are incredible. Not the prettiest looking, but boy, does it work.
Do you know how I got into this? Because I kept putting it away. Because I was like, why has this come out of the cupboard? I kept putting it away. It's because you kept taking it out and using it. And I was like,
don't put my hand cream away, tidying up after me. I need it out so I remember to use it. You know,
having it on your desk or having it near your sink. And
typically, you know, it isn't as pretty as my other hand creams, but I've given up my other hand creams now and just using this because this does work.
Well, ultimately, that's what you want, something that works, does the job.
And I think especially as we're coming into the colder months, prevention is much better than the cure. So love this. Katie, the next product, well,
it's funny you saying about
away.
Thank you. Saying about like seasons changing. This here is actually an SPF 30. Now,
It's more than an SPF.
It's more than
Well,
that.
what did you say? What did you say to me? Because you set me a task, didn't you?
Well, the thing is, especially coming into like cooler months and things, it's so important. You told me it's really important to wear your SPF all year round, no matter when the sun's in or out. Always wear it. But the thing is, with my skin is really quite dry. Now with this, it acts as an amazing moisturiser, and not only that, it gives your skin such a lovely glow.
Well, it's dewy, isn't it?
It's dewy, and also it's not. Sometimes when you get SPFs, they can feel a bit sticky or greasy. This soaks in, and it is absolutely beautiful. Plus, it's full of loads of great peptides and things.
Yeah, this is an interesting one, this cream, because it goes out a colour, but then it adapts to your skin colour. So you could wear this no matter what skin colour you are. The thing to remember about this product is that this is your day moisturiser and your SPF in one. It's got UVA, it's got UVB in it. Now I'm going to show you, I won't put it on now, but I'll put it over the top so you can see the dew it gives, because when Katie said to me she was looking for this dewiness to her skin, I was like, do you know what, I think I know just the product for you. And I would say if you like a matte look, you won't like this.
Yeah, because it's got a real sheen to it.
But if you like a dewy look and you have dull, dry skin, this you will become obsessed with. Now, it works as a day cream, a serum, and your SPF, because this has really good actives in it, and the actives are peptides. Now, what peptides do is they tell your skin to produce more collagen. So the more you wear this, not only is it protecting your skin from aging, it's also actively helping your skin produce more collagen whilst you wear it. Plus, this is your face cream, your serum, and your SPF in one. So the only other thing you need to do is buy a night cream, essentially.
It's so nice.
It's really lovely. Now let me show you this. Okay, I'm going to attempt to show you how dewy it makes your skin look. Now, obviously you're not going to put it over the top of makeup. You will put it under your makeup.
You can see already.
And I'm actually going to, can you see? It gives such a lovely dew.
It's really lovely.
If you like dewy skin, you will love this. Again, there is a link somewhere on this video.
I mean, it's...
If you like a matte skin, you won't like this at all, because it just gives you dewiness.
See, even though it sort of evens out the colour, and also it does help if you have like age spots. So I've got a couple of age spots on my side here.
Yeah.
Over time, it can actually diminish the look of those spots. So it's actually proven to.
There's active ingredients in here that work to minimise age spots, sunspots, whatever you want to call it. Is that the hand you've got it on?
That's the hand I've got it on. That's non-hand.
And you know what? This isn't the colour that's done that. It's because the colour goes into nothing.
Yeah.
It's actually just how lovely it makes your skin.
But it evens out. It makes your skin look beautiful.
Yeah. So again, dewy. If you want dewy, you want this. And then I would say, if you want a bit of coverage, just put your concealer over the top or a little bit of foundation. But this dewiness will last.
Great for a no makeup day as well, isn't it? With just a tiny bit
really
of concealer
lovely.
on, that's done.
Just my hair. Right, was there anything else that we had to show, Katie?
No, they were our favourites.
I think they were the 4 things that we're obsessing over this week that are, as we say, worth the hype.
Not rehearsed.
Not rehearsed. Now, I've got a little dog down here that's been scrabbling at my feet. Let me pick him up because he wants to say hello. Come on, Bam Bam. He's got his new hairdo today. Oh, it's all in his eyes, little thing.
Oh, Bonbon's
And then we've got another dog down here waiting to come up. That's Bonbon. Send you all lots of love from me, Katie, and Bam Bam.
See you later.
Bye,
guys. Thank you.
Use code 20 for 20% off 3 makeup must-haves today. In my store, Beauty and the Boutique.